Hiya and welcome back to Making Time for You Pilates. I'm Cass and we are stepping slowly through the OG mat Pilates repertoire created by Joseph Pilates, and today is side kick kneeling. Let me just take my glasses off and we are going to come up into kneeling. Now when we come down, we want our hand to be underneath our shoulder and our knee is underneath our hip, and we've got a beautiful space here. You have your hand on your hip or you can have it up here. It keeps you elongated nicely if you have it up just beside your ear. We're going to lift the leg to hip height and we are going to point the toe to the forward, flex the foot. We're coming back past the bottom and then to the forward and then back to the forward. We're trying not to rock too much through the body. Just going to do 2 more. Now I need to do the other side to even up. I don't want to be walking around uneven. So bring that shoulder over. Make sure that knee is underneath your hip and we lift. This will help you stay more elongated and forward. Flex back past your bum line. Forward, back. Forward, back. I'm going to do just 1 more. Beautiful. And that is kneeling side kick. Hope you've really been enjoying this year's weekly presentation of or daily presentation of the March Madness. It's great for me personally, as I've already mentioned in one of the other videos, to be able to step through the exercises again, because as I've gone through them I realize there are some that I haven't done in class for a long time. So it helps me put them back in as well, and it helps me to touch up on my skills and my form personally. So I do love this time of year. It is tough to keep presenting something every single day, but it's a challenge that I accept and I love being able to give it to you. So I really hope you're enjoying it and I will see you all tomorrow.